Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y01 and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. Now let's enter developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, so simply check it, or I can explain it shortly. So you have to enter the about phone, then find the build number, which should be, I believe, in the software info, and then keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So after activating it, simply enter the developer options, and here we have to scroll down in order to find System UI demo mode. So let's tap. And as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. Activate. So first of all, we can enable the demo mode without actually showing it. So it will be turned on, but you won't be able to check the changes. And if you'd like to see it, just tap on the second switcher. And as you can see, we've got some changes on the status bar. So all of the icons are in their full state. So and the hour is halted, which means that we've got the demo mode applied. Of course, you can hide it just by tapping here and turn it off completely. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your VIVO Y01. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.